Good morning, dear students. In previous chapter number 10, you have studied about the development of civilizations. And today we will start chapter number 11, the Iron Age civilization. So in the Iron Age civilization, we will discuss how this civilization was flourished. The Bronze Age civilization had flourished in eastern part of the world because western part was not advanced at that time, and in around 1200 BC the Iron Age followed by the Bronze Age, means after Bronze Age Iron Age started. The discovery of iron led to manufacturing of stronger tools like sickle, spade, axe, saw, etc. And when the stronger tools were made, it helped in the variety of different occupations like agriculture, work of blacksmith, such type of occupation developed. There was an increase in the number of cities and towns. Trade between different parts of the world, migration of people, and changes in territories due to war helped in the exchange of ideas. Thus, in turn, helped in the development of knowledge of art and crafts. But the greatest achievement of this Iron Age was in the field of literature. What achievements were made in the field of literature? Great poems were written, dramas, grammar, and history were written during this period. And the writing was used to keep the records, and writing became a medium of communication of ideas. And this period saw the development of many religions. Now, we are talking about the Iron Age civilization, and the Iron Age civilization developed in many parts of the world. Remains of some ancient civilization during Iron Age have been found in different parts of the world like Greece, Rome and Iran. The development of iron helped them to flourish. So in this table, we will study the comparative study of Greek, Roman and Iranian civilizations. So in Greek civilization, they worshipped many gods and goddesses and supreme god Zeus. And the occupation of Greek civilization was agriculture, shipbuilding, trading, sculpting, pottery making, etc. And what did they invented? Greek civilization, they calculated the circumference of the earth, and the maps of the world was also drawn by them, and Olympic games were also started by Greek civilization. And next civilization we will study, that is Roman civilization. Roman people worshipped goddesses Vesta, Venus and gods like Jupiter, Mars, Mercury and Juno. and their main occupations were agriculture, trading, fighting, etc. Fighting warriors. And if we talk about the invention of Roman civilization, they invented concrete, water system, roads, and Roman laws. And the Latin names of month also invented by Romans. Next is Iranian civilization, which was developed in Iran. Iranian people worship gods Indra, Vayu, Mithru, fire, and Zoroastrianism. And their main occupations were trading, shipbuilding, crafts like silk weaving, pottery, metalwork, gem cutting, etc. And their main inventions were ceramic script, and they also decorated the palaces with gold, silver, and precious stones, and also with ebony and ivory. So these were the comparative study of these three civilizations. And in next class we will study about the Iron Age civilization that was existed in India. And today you will uh, make such type of table in your notebook, social science notebook. Next we will study in next batch.